This video gives you an example of sequence training. This means that you use the RehaStim 2 standalone device without the HASOMED. Select the patient and press the Next button. Press the button for sequence training. In the next window, choose the training mode using the knob. The left picture stands for upper limb training, the picture in the middle for lower limb, and the right picture for torso and abdominal training. In this example, we chose the right picture for torso and abdominal training. Using the third button on the left or the third on the right, you can choose between percent or seconds mode. Your choice will be marked in green. Percent sequence training includes all the templates for gait training or FES walking in percentages, according to the natural gait phases in a complete gait cycle. Second sequence training includes templates in seconds, defining the start and duration of each single muscle stimulation in seconds. Select Next, and now we select a trigger by turning the knob. Sequence training includes an automatic or manual trigger with a sequence training license. This means you can trigger stimulation automatically or manually by pressing a button on the RehaStim 2. You can also upgrade to use an external single or double trigger. For this video, we chose the second mode and the manual trigger. Select one of the predefined templates. In this video, we'll demonstrate sequence training for flexion and extension of the back and abdomen. So we chose a bilateral left and right side template for rectus abdominis and the erector spinae. The next step will be the current test, and this should be performed very carefully. First, we test the right side rectus abdominis, RA yellow and red, and then the right side erector spinae, ES yellow and blue. We always confirm the entries by pressing the knob. Do the same for the left rectus abdominis and the left erector spinae. Then, we name our template First Session. After pressing the Save button, you'll see an overview of your profile. Start the therapy session or training by pressing the corresponding button. To start the stimulation, use the third button on the left. The moving bar shows the current interval of stimulation. The stimulation ends when the blue bar is filled. Use the Setting button to adjust the pulse width, frequency, and current. You can also change the stimulation interval by pressing the Interval button. Turn the knob to adjust the interval and confirm your entry by pressing it. You can pause the training any time using the Break button and leave the training screen using the Exit button.